Good morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, I hope everybody has a good and safe holiday. CBOT will be closed Sunday night, Monday night, and reopen Tuesday at 8:30 a.m. Not a lot of news overnight. Markets are pretty quiet. March beans are down near $13 on the weekly chart. We may be looking at a new trading range between $12.50 and $14, depending upon what goes on South American weather and the demand for U.S. export beans. The Jan-March spread is into only a 4-cent carry with the commercial short. The nearby because of all the recent increase in soybean sales from the U.S. to China. In the meal market, we're below $400. It's the lowest level since October of 23. I think the market, again, down the road is looking for a bearish bias because of the bigger Argentina crop. Soybean oil is below 50 cents a pound. Twice now we've tested the 48.79 area on the March. We'll see if that is a double bottom support or if we break through on the downside because of lower world vegetable oil prices. March corn sitting at a weekly chart range between $4.50 and $5. Again, trying to hold this 470 area, but not a lot of export news to support the market. If we have competition down the road between Ukraine, Argentina, and even Brazil, we could see lower corn prices. Wheat, Chicago's in this 585 to 640 range, KC 6 to 675, and the spread between KC and Chicago is only 13 cents in favor of KC because of the tightness of the soft red winter wheat and the rains in the southern plains helping the crops there. Minneapolis wheat's in a 680, 735 trading range. Stock market, we're looking at possibly a technical signal that suggests that maybe we're putting a temporary top in the stock market. The dollar is the lowest level it's been since July of 2023, and crude trying to bounce off the $70 area. We're still looking at some higher freight rates because of drone attacks in the Red Sea and low waters in the Panama City. Open interest, Jan beans down 11,000 contracts, meals down 10, while corn and wheat's up a little bit, suggesting new shorts in the marketplace. We'll see some PCI data today suggesting that maybe inflation is coming down in November versus the October reading. So in general, we're looking at very quiet markets going into the end of the year. Our weather guy feels that down the road, Brazil will see a little bit better weather once we get into 1st January in the dry areas. So I don't know if there's any irreversible damage done to the corn crop or the soybean crop. It looks like weather down there is going to be a little bit better. Hope everybody has a great holiday. And again, wishing the best to you and all of your families.